Hello and welcome, dear viewers, to IDL Academy once again. Dear students, have you ever wondered why is English grammar so tricky sometimes? Because in English there are some words that can be used to make new words. Like by rearranging the letters, we can make new words or we can produce new vocabulary. Today we are going to learn a very unique and interesting topic once again, which is about anagram. So, do you know, students, what are anagrams? If you don't know, don't worry, I'm here to explain it and make it easy for you. Anagrams in English are those words which are formed by rearranging the same letters of a word, phrase, or maybe in short sentences. So let's take some examples of anagrams. How can we make new words by rearranging a word's letter? For example, we have listen. Now, if you change these 6 letters, that can produce or that can make a different or a new word, that is silent. Now, with the help of these 6 letters, we can make a new word like heart. Now, the word heart can be earth. If you rearrange the letters, if you rearrange the sequence of the words or letters, like we have the word care. Now, the word care can be race. Similarly, we have eat. Now, eat can be tea and it can also be the past form of eat, that is ate. The word stones can be rearranged and made a new word notes or tones. Let me share more examples with you. For example, we have the word stop. So, stop, can you guess what can stop be changed into? Like, what can we, for example, make from the word stop? So, stop can be changed into 3 to 4 different words, and that is what you have to keep in mind, that you don't have only one word. For example, if I change it into one word, so it can only produce or make one word. There are some words that can make or reproduce more words. For example, stop. Now the word stop can be post, the word stop can be ports, the word stop can be sport, okay, like on the sport, and the same sport can be ops. So I hope you understood about anagrams, and this is all about anagrams. We'll meet in the new video with another interesting topic. If you understood it, share some examples in the comments. Till then, take care.